get ready with me kay nagpa-dermapenta today and it's gonna be in Visaya vlog. So we will be using tonight Silk Nourishing's, what's this? It's stem cells. Mahal man daw ni siya, yung nila. 1.8 man daw ka ni dirhams pe. So that's approximately how much in pesos? Nasa mga 20k, even more than that. A little bit of this. So a bit of that and just pat it around here. Here, okay? So prior to that, today, natumikuan one of the islands in Abu Dhabi. It's called Reem. Nagbuot-buot ko na but that will be shown on the next vlogs. Pero ano lang, with some cousins and few friends. For 30 minutes. That's beautiful. Lami ang weather today, to be honest. Then I let it sink in, correct, no? Okay. Tama ako. Kasi it's my first time to use this. So I have to know the experts. Actually, no kay mga audience than me, but they're just quite shy.
You're doing it right, actually, the top.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, diba? I already know how to get ready with me tonight. And let it dry and sink, okay?
You have the fun. Where's the fun?
That's okay. And
Jetsu life.
gusto na may taas na ba ni 1 minute and 36 seconds na. Bear with us lang guys, ha?
Tapos makita po lang factor 5 yan, no?
Correct. Or maybe I could cut this off tapos I will be putting on the mask kaya kailangan pa siya i-dry. And I think that would require 5 minutes, right? Yeah, 5 minutes. I'll put another flag on the mask, okay? Bye.